Good day, followers. As you can see, it said another beautiful day in paradise. Have a look at this beautiful property. But there is a problem with this property. Yes, it is not elevated. In related to my previous videos, you can see it is lower than actual main street. And in terms of, or in case of heavy rain, this house is in danger of flooding. Therefore, house insurance for this property is higher than normal house insurances, and premium is actually higher. When you want to purchase a property, those are the elements you have to pay attention or be really careful of when you want to purchase a property. Think twice before purchase.